Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Neera and on this channel we do all things home. So आप मेरा आउटफिट देख के समझ ही गए होंगे. Today we are decorating my home for Diwali. In last week's video मैंने वो सारी चीजें शेयर करी थी आप सबके साथ that I got to decorate my home for Diwali. I'll leave that video linked right here. Go have a look at what all I got for Diwali for my home. So, without further ado, let's get started. शुरू करें? सबसे पहले आई एम चेंजिंग ऑल द कुशन कवर्स एंड एडिंग न्यू वंस टू माय सोफा. एडिंग अ थ्रो ब्लैंकेट. और टेबल पे मैं ये डिश रख रही हूँ जिसमें फ्लावर पेटल्स और लाइट्स हैं. टीवी कंसोल के बाजू में आई एम एडिंग दीज लैंटर्न्स to light up that area. Now let's move towards the entryway. मैं ये tea light candle holders add कर रही हूँ on top of my shoe cabinet. Placing a vase on the cabinet and adding some fresh flowers to it. Entryway में ही I'm adding this early set with lots of fresh flowers and battery powered diyas. Moving towards my dining room, मैं सबसे पहले अपने most favorite lilies add कर रही हूँ in the center of the table. उसके बाद ये triangle shaped candle holders. In the end, I'm adding these battery powered flickering candles that I got from Amazon. Moving towards my bedroom, मैंने एक new bedding set लगाया है and I'm adding a decorative cushion cover right in the center of the bed. Styling the bedside table with some books, a speaker, a candle, and some fresh flowers. Now let's see how my home looks. So this is how my home is looking after being all decked up for Diwali. I wish you all a very, very, very happy Diwali. Lots of love and happiness comes your way this Diwali. Let me know in the comments how you like this video, what all products you liked. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.